So good morning, one and all. My name is Satish. Today we are going to present our project. So this our project name is Box Office Movie Ticket Booking. So these are our team members, and these are the contents in our PPT. So in this PPT, we are going to discuss about the project analysis, alternate solution analysis, project design, development, integration and testing, implementation, final evaluation, future work, and conclusion. And at the end of the PPT, I'm going to give you the takeaways of the project. So the coming to the project analysis. So this is the introduction part. So we are going to explore how platforms like box office have revolutionized the way movie rangers reserve seats, making it more convenient and accessible. So when comparing to the both traditional and online booking in the past, purchasing movie tickets meant visiting a physical box office or standing in line at the theater. Online booking offices have changed the game, allowing my movie to reserve tickets from anywhere, anytime, and with a just few clicks. So these platforms are available in range of features meeting the requirements of independent theaters. So this is the objective of our project. So before discussing about the objective, we need to know about the benefits of our project. So the benefits of a online book of box office is convenience, selection, efficiency, and flexibility. So this is the most convenient way to reserve the preferred seats for the movie lovers. So which are the booking systems which are often available in specialized websites or mobile applications. So aim of this project is to it's a online application, so the user can purchase their movie tickets. So coming to the functional and non-functional requirements, and coming to the functional requirements, the user need to sign up, which is called as customer registration. So in that registration, the user need to give his payment details and the movie preferences, etc. So when the user want to reserve a movie ticket, so he need to check the availability of the shows. So and he can also find the blog articles, contact page. So when coming to the non-functional requirements, password policy. So user need to give the password uh, according to the security. So in this we have the portability and audit trail. So coming to the SDLC is nothing but the software development life cycle. So in this we have designed like planning. The SDLC consists of planning, design, development, testing, and maintenance. So it is a structured approach of encompasses planning, which where the project goals and requirements are defined. So uh, the SDFC helps ensure booking systems meet customer expectations and industry standards. So project design will be continued by the Naresh. Naresh, you are not audible.
Yeah, coming to the project design. Yeah, yeah, these are some of the project design. Yeah, other permission design section, account shows, and other users, and other group permission, other group design content type, design impressions, and account bookings, and other user permissions, accounts cinema, design admission, accounts movie, other user. These are the yeah, these are the Coming to the next slide. Yeah, operating system. Yeah, in operating system, the versatile compatibility. In versatile compatibility, movie booking system is designed to be compatible with a variety of operating systems, including Windows, Linux, and Mac. Yeah, coming to the installation requirements, users need to ensure that Python version is 3.7 PIP and Django are installed on their Windows system to set up the movie booking system effectively. Yeah, coming to seamless integration. The system is seamlessly integrates with all versions of Linux, offering users flexibility and easy of use across different distributions. Yeah, Mac compatibility. Mac users can effortlessly configure the movie booking system on their devices, enabling them to enjoy its features and benefits without any hassle. Cross-platform accessibility. With the compatibility across multiple operating systems, the movie booking system ensures the accessibility and convenience for users regardless of their preferred platforms. Yeah, coming to the next slide. Yeah, these are tools and technologies. In software, MySQL Workbench and Visual Studio Code. In technology, we have done the Python Django framework, HTML, CSS, and Bootstrap. Yeah, coming to the next slide. Yeah, modules. In modules, are the movie listings, show times and booking, and the seat selection. Yeah, next slide. Yeah, in modules on continue the modules in user authentication, payment processing, booking confirmation, cancellation refunds. Yeah, these are the modules. Yeah, coming to the next slide. And also you have admin dashboard, reviews and ratings, notifications. Yeah, yeah, deployment. Deployment is continued by the Manish.
Thank you, Naresh. And coming to deployment, we use database management system MySQL Workbench for it. And for this query, we imported all the ID, action item, object ID as an object, and we selected the query select from the box office management system so that it can fetch the details. Coming to the next slide. So this is the output of the particular command. This command explains how the accounts and the app label and model are designed and crafted. Coming to the next slide. So this is a content type, including field types, which is content type, and this is the input of the ID, app label, and model, and the output will be shown in the next slide. Next slide, please. Yeah, this is a output of the content type data DBMS output. So in this, we can see that model and the content type of the ID, so that additional information is passed to the customer. Next slide, please. Yeah, this is authentication group permissions. We have different group policies and permissions, security policies. So according to them, we design the group permissions. This is the input as follows. Next slide, please. This is the output of the group authentication permissions. So this is based on whoever got the role access. Uh, they can be role based or rule based. So this is a role based access, so that we designed authentication permissions for it. Next slide, please. So this is a authentication group. The input is as follows, and the output is based on the authentication group which customer is in. Next slide, please. So coming to this admin logs, we have different action times, object ID, object representation. So according to the object representations and the types, we perform admin logs and admin circumstances as possible. So coming to next slide. So this is a basic UI of our website. So this is the main page. This is how it look like. So customer sign ups or sign ins to this page, and books the ticket. So this is our home page, and coming to the next slide. Next slide, please.
Okay, Chaitanya will continue, Manish. Okay,
Yeah,
thank you.
Chaitanya, you can continue. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you, man. Coming to the testing part. First place. Coming to the testing part, here you can see the box office. Here we can see the main page. We can sign up after. Here we can see box office main page.
Chaitanya, uh, please mute yourself. Unmute yourself.
Yeah, you're good. You're good, Chaitanya. Satish, mute yourself. Yeah. You can unmute yourself, Chaitanya.
We can see the sign up and sign in page. After we can sign in page, we can see the show casting. Next slide. Yeah, here we can see the show casting. Here we can see the movies list. Reply Bahubali and Hanuman. Next slide. Here you can see the triple movie rating, action, comedy, and everything. After that, we can go to the sign up page. Seat selection. Here we can see the seat selection. If you are interested, go to the seat selection option, and after that, confirm the reservation. Next slide. Yeah, here we can see the seat selection B9, B10. Next slide. Next slide. Next slide. Yeah, here we can see the tickets. After go to the dashboard, here we can, if you are interested, go. Next slide. If you are interested to add more shows, go to the dashboard and add more movies. Go to the Hanuman. Next slide. Here we can see the added movies, Tripler, two more ads, and Hanuman third show. Next slide. After the next slide. After the seat selection, we can go to the payment and we can get the payment book ticket. Next slide, we continue by Ravikant.
Hello everyone, I'm going to explain implementation. There are like architecture and design, essential features of movie selection, showtime selection, seat selection. Next slide. uh, Ticket reservation, integration with payment gateway, confirmation and ticket delivery requirements, gathering, identify nearby theaters and cinemas, determine the frequency of movies among the hotel guests, understand guest preference regarding movie lengths and show timings. It also expresses like Amex or 3D. Next slide. uh, Platform selection. Choose a hotel management software platform that supports customization and integration capabilities to seamlessly incorporate movie ticket booking functions. And it also insists compatibility. It consider scalability to accommodate future updates and expansions for the booking rule. Uh, System configuration. Configure the movie ticket booking model within the hotel management software, and it also customizes the user interface to align with the hotel's branding and user experience. Next slide. And coming to the code, the static, so we have imported, and we also use the um, and we also use the parse import from split, and we also imported some settings, and also we imported some path and the location path, and we also imported a view statics and to serve. So coming to the different, and it also invokes a Django admin when the Django module is run in as a script. And example is a Python Django check from Django. It's a management, and coming to the name, it is a management. It's a main function. Next slide. And coming to init, In this code, we going to explain the version, how many versions we have, and also we have defined a setup for the prefixes, and we also imported apps settings and set scripts prefix configure logging, and it also has a set prefix of settings of script name. Next slide. Coming to this, coming to apps, it also imports app configuration, admin checks, and import checks, and get text lazy, and they are also have several classes like disallowed mode, admin lookup, disallowed mode, admin to field, and already registered and not registered. Next slide. And coming to this code, we have imported date time, and we also imported several things like not registered, like we imported in the last slide, in the init code. And we also build an object from lookup parameters and get last value from parameters, get module from relation, prepare lookup value, reverse field path. And coming to validation error, we also imported models, time zone, and translation. And coming to the class, and we also imported, and in the next slide, we imported settings, addition, change, deletion, flag choices, and class log entry manager. And we also imported, we also defined the log action, so how to get action. Next slide. Coming to the advantages, we can say that enhancing guest experience with movie ticket booking integration. It is a movie ticket booking into hotel management system elevates the guest experience by providing a seamless platform for planning, entertainment activities, and it also builds the innovative approach to the guest satisfaction, and it also has the strength, and it also strengthens to guest loyalty, ultimately driving revenue growth and success in the hospitality industry. That's it. And next will become
So,
Okay,
um,
Bhavesh, will we continue?
okay. So coming to the future work in integrating movie ticket booking into e-commerce operation, it introduces additional layer of complexity and consideration. Cybersecurity remains paramount as sensitive payment information is exchanged during transition. Implementing strong security measures not only protect customer data but also upholds trust in the entire e-commerce platform. So next slide, please. Next slide. So providing responsive and efficient customer service is vital for forecasting positive experience and retaining lower patron in this expanded service landscape. Managing shipping logistic for physical ticket introduce new challenges in fulfillment necessitating streamlined processes to meet customer expectation for time delivery. Next slide, please. So enhanced guest personalization, incorporating movie ticket booking functionality into hotel management system enables personalized entertainment experience aligned with individual guest preference. By analyzing guest profile and past booking history, the system can suggest relevant movie and show time tailored to each guest taste, enhancing overall satisfaction and fostering loyalty. And in seamless mobile experience with the prevalence of mobile device, hotel management system prioritize mobile friendly interface for mobile ticket booking. Guests can conveniently browse movie listing, select show time, and reserve ticket directly from their smartphone, ensuring a seamless and intuitive booking process while on the go. Next slide, please. So, so here, data-driven insights and recommendation. The integration of movie ticket booking generates valuable data insights into guest preference and booking behavior. Hotelers can leverage this data to optimize their movie offering, tailored promotional campaign, and enhance marketing strategy, ultimately driven revenue growth and guest satisfaction. And in competitive advantage by offering integrated movie ticket booking within the management system, hotels gain a competitive edge by providing a comprehensive and personalized guest experience. This enhanced services offering distinguish them from competitor and contributes to guest retention and positive brand perception. So next, so this will be continued by Satish.
Okay, thank you, Bhavesh. And coming to the conclusion, so this is a e-commerce website, and we can say that it is a user-friendly. So overall, this integration aligns with the expectations of a modern travelers and positions hotels of the innovation in the hospitality industry. And in the end, I want to give the takeaways. So the key takeaways are the enhanced guest experience and the streamlined operations and the revenue growth. It means the integration taps into additional revenue streams from entertainment bookings, contributing to overall revenue growth for hotels, and also the improved guest satisfaction, alignment with modern traveler expectations. So, and also the innovation in hospitality. So that's the end of our presentation, and thank you.
Thank you, everyone.